In a very exciting news, Microsoft and OpenAI have partnered to create $100 billion data center. As we know that there is a lot of activity happening when it comes to all of these giants either joining hands or acquiring competitors in the generative AI era. Amazon recently has announced a $150 billion plan to expand its cloud computing services, and the main focus will be on artificial intelligence. Microsoft is also ramping up their Azure cloud services, and now they have teamed up with OpenAI to create a supercomputer called as Stargate. The value of Stargate is at $100 billion, which is huge. I was searching for any press release from OpenAI or from Microsoft, but I couldn't find any. So this is still in the media, some sort of leak on the social media, it seems, but nonetheless an important one. It seems that both Microsoft and OpenAI are working on this plan for a data center project that is $100 billion or more, and it includes an AI supercomputer called as Stargate. It is also still not clear if the Stargate is a code name of that supercomputer or it is the name of that data center, but it will be launched around 5 years from now, or maybe 4, in 2028 or in 2029. Now, what this supercomputer would do, it's anyone's guess. I think it is mainly geared towards artificial general intelligence, and that is what most of the pundits in the industry are predicting, that this is the year 2028 when we will be seeing the AGI in action in true form and sense. We all know that rapid adoption of this generative AI tech has led to skyrocketing demand for all the GPUs, data centers, cloud, and all that stuff. And I believe that this new initiative or combined effort from Microsoft and OpenAI is a step towards that. Now, Microsoft has already invested over $13 billion in OpenAI, and Microsoft will be funding Stargate. Some people are even saying that Microsoft will acquire OpenAI, or maybe it will be the other way around. Who knows? So, Microsoft is going to use OpenAI's AI technology, including the ChatGPT 4, 5, or whatever ChatGPT will be at that point in time. So, this Stargate project seems to exceed current computing power capabilities, requiring several gigawatts of power, and I think it is going to use some solar energy, some nuclear energy, because this doesn't seem like a small feat to me. The demand for AI chip has also increased a lot, and Nvidia is claiming the autonomy at the moment. So maybe OpenAI and Microsoft will join hands and release or produce their own GPUs, or maybe Stargate is the name of that new project. I believe it's a good initiative. We really need more and more companies jumping into this AI era other than Nvidia. I know that OpenAI and Microsoft are existing players, but this is going to fuel the competition. So I believe that it is about time that Amazon and Google should join hand and do something really remarkable, because if both of these giants join hands, I think great things are going to happen. And this project is part of a five phase plan, the Stargate, I mean, that really aims to push the boundaries of AI capabilities by leveraging millions of specialized server chips. But this seems very ambitious, but nothing is really impossible these days when you look at how uh, fast and at what and neck break speed all of these things are evolving and increasing. So I'm you know of full hope that even this Target thing will be released even before 2028, the way things are moving. Let me know your thoughts. If you know more about this Target project, please share your info or intel with us. It will be great in the comments. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.